Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Martin, this is Lego Fan UK. First of all, I'd like to say a massive congratulations to Lunabrex. Finally reached their 1,000 subscriber target. Well done to you guys. I'll put a link at the end of the video, so if you'd like to check out their videos, that'd be much appreciated by all. So today we have another brand new Lego Marvel set. This is a Spider-Man set. It's set number 76150. This is the Spiderjet versus Spider-Man Mech, consisting of 371 pieces and 3 minifigures. So it's quite cool, this little set. You get a quite a funky looking Spiderjet, obviously big cockpit, the jets and some weapons on there. You've got 2x2 flat disc tile shooters, and you've also got these sort of warhead shooters as well. Quite a fun looking little jet, obviously Spider-Man colours. You get a little tiny safe that you can build with a little grappling hook, and also you get this mech. The mechs I love. This is actually quite cool because it actually goes with the previous 3 sets that they released. You get 3 minifigures. So you get the Venom minifigure, the Spider-Man minifigure, which have all been featured in previous sets. And then you get the brand new for this set is the Spider-Man Noir. Here's one of the AFOs we'll be collecting. So for the one set, the people will be collected for that. I'll collect it for the mech and the minifigures. So this is a look at the packaging or the box for this. Quite nice little design on the box. We've got the 3 minifigures. We've got Venom, Spider-Man and Spider-Man Noir. It's a Manhattan scene going on there. Venom's got Spider-Man and he's got some money. I don't know what he wants the money for because he's extraterrestrial symbiote, so bit random for that. Obviously it's just one just to add in for it, and then obviously the Spiderjet with Spider-Man Noir and the weapons that it fires out. So the 1x1 scale there show you obviously the size of the minifigures, and then on the back you've just got another sort of detail of the set showing you what you can do with these builds once they're complete. So quite a cool little box. The AFLs that like Spider-Man are going to be collecting these, or Marvel as well. So this is a close-up look of the set itself. So a close-up of the Spiderjet. Quite cool these. There's only 6 stickers. So you've got stickers on the wings, on the top here, and on the front of the cockpit as well. They've got a little Spider-Man emblem there. The actual build itself is quite a fun little build. Got a little turbojet at the back. Obviously the wings, a couple of sort of intakes for the engines, and then you've got your weaponry. I believe that's meant to be like a kind of minigun, or it could be used for refueling. And then you've got these shooters here. So these shooters are quite interesting how they've made them. So they're looks like the little safe boxes. They've been used to fire it. You just push and they fire out. And the same on the other side, you've got these bullets. And again, push that, and they kind of go quite far. I didn't think they were going to go that far. The only thing with that is it just broke the door off, so don't be as heavy-handed as me. Get that back on there. The only thing I didn't really like about it was the way that this bit was done. It's a bit too flimsy. There's not a lot of support in that section using that. They could have just used, a couple of bricks to build that up. But the actual jet itself is quite a fun little thing. Inside you've got 2 of the console stickers here. The standard sort of console sticker you find a lot of sets, and this like radar map one. But this, yeah, it's quite fun little jet. Obviously broken, but that just shows you the way that these shooters are made, just as a sort of push-pull slide mechanism in there. Now we'll have a quick look at the mech. Love this mech, really good, very flexible. You've got a lot of ball socket joints, so you've got ankle, knees and hips on these, and on the arms you've got shoulders, sort of elbows and wrists. Obviously the 4 hands have been built with little white claws, and I like how they use these elements as like a sort of safety belt to strap the Venom in. Pop it open, you can get Venom into the cockpit, and then There he is, ready to fight in that. Again, with these mechs they've made, they have these 3x2 modified tiles with a print on it, so that's quite a nice little print. Goes with the Spider-Man, Iron Man and the Thanos one all having these as printed pieces, so no sticker on that. Quite a nice little fun one. Obviously very poseable, put them how you want. I don't know, he's a bit disco-y at the moment, but yeah, really cool. So that's going to go into my collection most definitely. This is the little tiny safe that you build. Got these sort of silver coloured elements. So you get a whole bag of these, so you got a lot of spares with this. Bullets as well. You get little stickers go on the front to make it to a safe. And inside you get 2 little gold bars and another $100 bill. So fun little safe there. And then the 3 minifigures. So we've got the Venom minifigure. Same as been in the last few sets. The last Venom Mech had this same minifigure. So it's got the nice print on the torso and on the back and the head as well. The legs are plain, so there's nothing on there. I've got this Spider-Man minifigure. Obviously he's been in a lot of sets recently. So it's pretty much standard 2-tone legs mould, and then obviously the print on the torso and on the head as well. But this is the main one for this set, is a Spider-Man Noir. You see he's got like prints on his legs and torso that make it look like he's wearing a trench coat, a little sort of jacket underneath, and the same on the back. No prints on the arms. Obviously he's wearing a trench coat, so there's probably no need to do that. Little cool little hat, and then his sort of silvery grey print on his head. So overall, quite a fun little set. Nice little minifigures you get here. Mech's the best bit for me, and then the jet as well. If you'd like to click that like and subscribe button, that'd be much appreciated. My subscribers are going up slowly. I'm enjoying making these videos. It's good fun building as well. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.